This salad recipe is so addictive you won't be able to stop eating it. Start by slicing half a head of lettuce into thin strips. Take half a head of red cabbage and slice it into thin strips as well. Now grate 1 carrot. Grab 6 cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. You can adjust the amount of each ingredient depending on your preference. Dice about 7 ounces of cheese into small cubes. Take 2 cooked and seasoned chicken fillets and slice them just like I'm doing here. For the dressing, start with 1 cup of plain yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard and mix well. Now, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Give it another good mix. Now, let's bring everything together in a large bowl. This recipe is absolutely delicious and your whole family is going to love it. Pour the dressing over the salad. Toss everything together until well combined. Just look at these vibrant colors. Doesn't this look amazing? And just like that, our salad is ready. Look how fresh and tasty it looks. This salad is so simple, yet so delicious, perfect for any occasion. I'll be waiting for you in our next recipe. Let me know if you give this a try. I'd love to hear what you think. Enjoy.